The lifestyle my parents could not give me. That's the lifestyle I would give my child. My children will live well. My children will live in abundance. I say my children will live well. My children will live in abundance. Yeah, Lord, you brought me this far. From nothing, you lifted me. This is my testimony, and this is my declaration. I come from humble beginnings, where prayers were louder than food. Mama cried tears in the night. I would trust that you to pull us through. We didn't have much at our hands, but we had faith in our hearts. You were teaching me patiently. Even